Miles, what are we going to do today?
We're playing paintball.
Is it your first time playing paintball?
Yep, I am going to play it. And I'm finally 10 years old. Now we are going to go there, but I think we might be close to it.
Do I get to use the pool or not? I will play.
There you go. Where did he go? There you go.
We're heading out right now, guys.
Yeah. Video on. Hi, how are you?
Beginner group, we're going to head out now.
David Mott. We're going to find out.
Go, 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 run up.
Go, 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 run up! Go, 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 run up! All the way up, go! Miles, this way.
Hey!
Vanessa, you with us?
Wee!
Come on.
Move up, move up, move up. Come on, guys, don't be scared. Move up. All the way up, all the way up. Come on, all the way up.
Come on, Miles, quickly.
Hi.
Come on, Miles, come on. Go, go, go! Cover them! Cover them! Careful, careful. That's a good guy. That's a good guy. Someone go up to that building! Come here, Miles. This way. This way. This way. Take the hill. Take the hill. Vanessa, come on. Anyone?
Hey, guys.
Too far.
Once you get down the hill, you
Push it back. After that, move it. Follow, follow, follow. Come back the way.
No! I can't! Well, that's weird.
Quick, 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 quick. Aim down, aim down.
What's wrong?
Safe. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Aim and shoot, aim and shoot, aim and shoot. Aim and shoot, Miles. Shoot! Good, okay. Okay, stop. Nice. Okay, Miles, follow me. Vanessa, we're moving. Move in! Come on, Miles!
all over the paintball.
What about the green shirt?
Looks like there's 2 or 3 in there.
Okay.
They're in the trailer and the bus.
Roger that.
But they're all over there.
At least 10, 15. These are Miles, white top. Take them out, take them out.
They're about 10, 15 over there.
Dennis. Found someone!
Shoot him, shoot him! A little higher.
One at the hill.
No, 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 come here, Miles. Come back, come back, come back, come back. They're coming over that side?
Right over there. Right behind us.
Miles, come back. They're going to shoot. Yeah. Back up. Look, Miles. That hill right there. There. Use the cover. Good. Shoot at the hill. Shoot at the top of the hill. Shoot him! Shoot him! A little higher. Good boy. Well done. Aim up. Keep your gun up the whole time.
Shoot him! There!
Dang it! Safety!
Just watch this button. Push it back up. Good.
Oh.
It has to be yellow here.
Shoot! 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 Look! Shoot!
Look, he's down in the bushes, Miles. Down in the bushes.
I can see him.
Okay.
No!
Good boy. Get back. Get back. Move back. Move back.
Come on!
Who wants some smoke?
Smoke grenade out! What's going on?
Smoke out! Get my son down there.
My son took off without me down there.
I saw it. Look at him go! I know!
Oh my gosh. I'm alright. Are you? Okay, keep going. Let's try to go that way.
Moving!
Smoke grenade, shoot.
Watch it! Watch it! Watch it! Careful, Miles. Careful.
That's the one! Right there.
Yell it out. Just shoot him.
One person is trying to hold. I did it! I did my first shot!
Don't get cocky.
Oh, ow. You okay?
Oh. Oh, am I out?
Roger that. 5 minutes left! 5 minutes!
Huh? Oh. I'm out?
Yeah, you're up. In the mud? Roger that. You see them, call them out! Call out their position!
Yeah.
Okay, boys, I'm moving up. How's my left side? How's my left? How's the left? Roger that.
tried it, but I got out.
Where did you get shot?
At the leg. I know you can't
Leg?
see it.
Let's zoom in on that.
And I got hit twice.
Heart attack. Did it hurt? Okay, thank you.